Welcome to the FX Options Weekly Outlook, a weekly podcast series hosted by Jason Ayres, a top instructor, trader, and founder of OptionSource.net. Join Jason as he discusses the latest trends in the Forex market with a look ahead on the US dollar versus the major currencies using the most commonly used technical indicators.
Well, hi there, and welcome to the ISE FX Options Weekly Outlook for March 7th, 2011. As always, this is Jason Ayres of OptionSource.net, reminding you to sign up for your free webinar at www.optionsource.net. As always, let's start off with a look at a weekly chart of the US dollar index. It's a great way to gain perspective as to how the US dollar has been trading against a basket of currencies. Well, the dollar index continued to lose ground last week, closing just shy of our 76 support. Now, this level should hold as support. Failure here does open the window for a continuation to the downside. However, a bullish reversal bar closing above 77 lends credibility to a move back up to test resistance at the 78-79 focal zone. A quick look at our daily chart reflects some indecision on Friday's close. We do suspect a bounce off of the 76.5 level. However, until we see a break above 77, the trend remains to the downside. Next up, the CDD, the U.S. versus the Canadian dollar. Well, the CDD consolidated at 97, showing some signs of support at this level. Failure to hold support at 97 opens the window for a continuation deeper into that 96-97 box. A break above 97.5 should signal a move up to test 98.5 as resistance. Let's take a look at the YUK, the U.S. versus the Japanese yen. Well, the YUK closed the week within the 82.5 focal zone after completing a retracement up to 83. Now, this level will act as an overhead resistance. With Friday's close forming a bearish reversal candle, we are open to a continuation lower. Let's take a look at the EUI, the U.S. versus the Euro. Well, the EUI broke support at 72, which opens the window for a continuation lower. 72.73 will act as a resistance level. A break back above this zone could test as high as 75. Let's take a look at the BPX, the U.S. versus the British pound. Well, the BPX continues to trend to the downside. After breaking below support level at 62, the window is open for a continuation lower towards the 60.5 box. Let's take a look at the U.S. versus the Australian dollar as seen here in the ISE FX options pair value AUX. Well, the AUX continues to find support at 98. A break above 99 lends credibility to a test of this 100-101 focal zone. Failure to hold 98 is likely to slide lower towards 96-97. Let's take a look at a few of our key points. First of all, the U.S. dollar index continued lower. A test of 76 is a high probability. This level should provide support for a retracement. However, we would need to see a break above 77 to lend credibility to a possible change in trend. The CDD tested the 97 level and consolidated. A break above 97.5 opens the window for a retracement higher. The YUK retraced up to test resistance at 83, but reversed to close the week back down within the 82.5 support. A break below 82 opens the window for a continuation lower. The EUI broke support at 72 and appears to be heading for a test of the 70.71 box. The BPX failed to break above 62.5, reversing to continue the downtrend. A reversal back above 62 breaks this downtrend and lends credibility to a possible retracement higher. The AUX spent last week consolidating within the 98.99 focal zone. A break below 98 could extend as low as 96. A bounce is likely to hit resistance within the 100-101 focal zone. And this has been your ISE FX Options Weekly Outlook for March 7th, 2011. As always, this is Jason Ayres of OptionSource.net, reminding you to sign up for your free webinar at www.optionsource.net. Thanks for joining me here this week. We'll see you here next week.
Thank you for participating in this week's session. Please join us again next week. For trading ideas, exchange rates, webinars, news, and commentary, visit www.fxoptions.com. Become an OptionSource.net member. Visit www.optionsource.net. ISE FX options can be easily traded through all options-enabled brokerage accounts. These exchange-listed securities are cash-settled in U.S. dollars and have a European-style exercise.